The heart's primary function is to circulate blood throughout our body. It does so by pumping deoxygenated blood, which lacks oxygen from the tissues, to the lungs for oxygenation. After oxygenation, the heart then pumps this oxygenated blood throughout the body. This process is facilitated by two distinct pumps within the heart, one for deoxygenated blood and another for oxygenated blood. Just a quick note, if you want to interact with the heart model on the right in 3D, check our app 3D Heart Anatomy. Or if you want to immerse yourself in anatomy like never before in extended reality, check XR Heart Anatomy, link in the description. Firstly, the right side of the heart handles deoxygenated blood. It consists of two chambers, the right atrium and the right ventricle. Blood enters the heart through the vena cava into the right atrium, which then fills and pushes blood into the right ventricle. The right ventricle, being more muscular, pumps the blood to the lungs via the pulmonary artery for oxygenation. After oxygenation, the left side of the heart, which serves as the second pump, takes over. The oxygenated blood returns through the pulmonary veins into the left atrium. From there, it's pushed into the left ventricle, which pumps it into the aorta and throughout the body. A notable difference between the two sides is that the right ventricle has a thinner wall compared to the left ventricle. This difference is due to the left ventricle's need to pump blood with more force, as it circulates oxygenated blood to the entire body. Another key aspect is the cardiac cycle, characterized by the constant contraction and relaxation of the heart muscles. Despite having two pumps, the blood does not mix between the oxygenated and deoxygenated sides. This separation is maintained by the interventricular septum for the ventricles and the interatrial septum for the atria, preventing blood from moving between the different sides. Now that we've explored how the heart functions as a pump, let's take a moment to examine the chambers of the heart.